Let's welcome this guy to the collection. This is a character I've come up with in the past. He's a past character of mine that I've created already. I just felt like creating him out of this stuff. And yeah, his name, he has two names. One is Bob, the other is number seven. And I actually, I don't think he's quite done yet. I actually plan on adding the number seven on hair, his front hair, and on his back hair. So that's kind of part of his backstory. He's test subject number seven. It's complicated. But yeah, so this guy isn't quite done yet. I'm probably gonna add number seven to him, like to his body and to his clothes in general, to this jumpsuit he's wearing. But yeah, and I know I haven't talked about snouts like this in my last collection, but when I designed this guy, he had his snout like this. That's how I designed him. So I gave him this look. Yeah, I really like how he turned out. Yeah.